Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com. Here in this presentation, we are going to solve a problem using angle sum property and exterior angle property. If an exterior angle ACD is equal to 120 degrees and angle A is to angle B and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:5, then find the angles of the triangle. Here angle ACD is equal to 120 degrees in the figure and AB, which are nothing but interior opposite angles, are in the ratio 1:5. As we know, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. That is nothing but exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, which is normally called as exterior angle property. But here given as angle A and angle B are in the ratio 1:5, so we can get angle A is equal to angle ACD into the proportion of 1/6, which can be written as 120 degrees into 1/6 is equal to 20 degrees. We get here angle A is equal to 20 degrees and angle B is equal to angle ACD into 5/6. That implies 120 degrees into 5/6, which is equal to 100 degrees. We get angle B is equal to 100 degrees. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That is nothing but sum of angles of a triangle 180 degrees. This property is called as angle sum property. By substituting the values of angle A and angle B in the equation, we get 20 degrees plus 100 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That implies 120 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. By transferring 120 degrees to the right hand side, we get angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. That implies we get angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, here the angles of a triangle are 20 degrees and 100 degrees and 60 degrees. Hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.